Hello everyone. For Mindful Monday, you will need to sit comfortably on a floor or at a table. You will need something to write with, as well as a piece of paper to jot down your ideas after we do this lesson. So today we are going to try a different kind of mindfulness exercise. The exercise will help to explore what our thoughts and feelings are about a recent event. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit with your eyes closed, think of a recent event or experience that you've had. Maybe it was a conversation with a friend. Maybe it was something that happened at home. Just think of a recent event that you will spend time writing about today. Now, after you have that event in your mind, open your eyes, pick up a pencil, and begin writing about your experience in your journal. As you write about the facts of the event, begin to notice the feelings you are having in your body. Transition your writing to describe those feelings. What feelings are they? Where in your body do you experience them? Where else does the feeling flow? As you notice the feeling, what thoughts are coming into your mind? Write about the thoughts you are having. How do these thoughts relate to that feeling you noticed? What surprises you about these thoughts or feelings? Put all of these thoughts into your writing journal. As you complete your journal, take time to read back over what you have written, and then reflect on the reflection part of the assignment.